Hey Stampers, this is Sherry Roth with Stamped Treasures. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. And I thought I'd do a quick video to explain how my Retreat in a Box class runs. So several times a year, I run retreats. Sometimes they're in my home, sometimes they're away. And at those retreats, I always offer optional classes. So people who are attending those retreats can choose to participate in these classes or not. It's completely up to them. And I am really excited about the retreats that I have to offer for my March retreat. So I decided to offer them to all of my customers, whether you're local to me or at a distance. So there's several different options and different ways that you can participate. So the way it works is these classes will be available in person on March 23rd, Saturday, March 23rd. There's 3 different times depending on which class or classes you want to participate in. Or you can get them to go, and anyone in Canada can participate in that option. So I can send these class kits anywhere in Canada, and I'll explain the classes and show you the projects in a minute. Registration closes February 20th, so you do need to register for the in-person option or the class to go option before the 20th, okay? I will also offer tutorials, so if you're outside of Canada and maybe want to participate in the class, you can purchase a tutorial, and those should be on my tutorial page on my website, which I will link below, in the description below. I'm hoping early next week, okay? So that option will be available to anybody outside of Canada. Okay, so first up, class 1. This is the Happiness Blooms class. So in this class, this is a class fee of $45. You'll make 10 cards in 2 different sizes. Here's a little peek at the cards. So we've got 10 cards. So there's basically a bigger version and a smaller version of the same card. So 10 cards in the 2 different sizes using the Bloom by Bloom stamp set and the Well Said bundle. So the class fee includes the cards and envelopes, so a whole package. You'll use half of the package, so you'll have lots left to keep creating. It will include 6 6x12 sheets of the Happiness Blooms DSP, and they'll be leftovers, so you'll be able to keep creating with that, and the Happiness Blooms enamel shapes, and all additional pre-cut supplies to create the projects, and a step-by-step tutorial. To complete the class at home, you will need it's recommended that you have the Well Said bundle. However, I will pre-cut the framelets. I will not have any stamped images. So if you've got a lot of stamp sets, you might be able to choose something that you already have and combine that with the greeting that's cut for you, okay? You'll need the Bloom by Bloom stamp set, Lovely Lipstick, Call Me Clover, Pineapple Punch, Night of Navy, and Calypso Coral inks, okay? So that's the first class. And that class, if you want to participate in that class in person, will be Saturday, March 23rd at 10 a.m. Okay, next up we've got a Waterfall album. So this uses the, what is this called? How Sweet It Is, Sweet. So this is what we'll create, okay? So this beautiful album that you could use, I've got mine done in a birthday theme, but you could do it just generic and include pictures of your kids in there, whatever you'd like. This class option includes the How Sweet It Is DSP, so a full package of this DSP, a roll of tear and tape, because you'll use a ton on that Waterfall album, and a full package of the glitter dots. This is only a partial package because that's all I have on hand right now. And any additional supplies you need to create that beautiful album, and a link to a video that will show you step-by-step how to put it together. So to complete that class at home, you will need the Sweetest Thing bundle, which I had here. This one here, the Sweetest Thing bundle. Coastal Cabana ink and Melon Mambo and Gorgeous Grape inks. So you'll need those ink pads, okay? All right, and that class option, the Waterfall Album class option, is Saturday, March 23rd at 1 p.m. And that class fee is $50. Okay, and then class 3 is the How Sweet It Is scrapbook class. So if you purchase the Waterfall Album class, you will get this class for only $25 because it uses a lot of the same supplies. Okay, we'll create 4 scrapbook pages. This is one of them. That's a 2-page spread. And then there will be 2 single-page spreads as well. Okay, I still have one more to design for that. So that will be, like I said, if you participate in the Waterfall Album class, the class 3, so this scrapbook class is only $25. You'll use the supplies that you received in the Waterfall Album class, and you'll get all additional supplies that you need. To complete this class at home, you'll need the supplies that I mentioned for the Waterfall Album class. You'll also need Memento black ink, and you'll need a couple alphabet sets. Now, these are the 2 that I use, the lined alphabet and the pick a pennant, but if you've got something similar in size, that will work just fine as well. Okay, if you want to participate in this scrapbook class and not the Waterfall Album class, then the class fee will be $50. So this class will be held in person at 3 p.m. on Saturday, March 23rd. Now, if you purchase class 1 and 2, or class 1 and 3, or all 3 classes, you will get to choose a level 1 celebration product for free as well. And if you purchase all 3 of the classes, I will also throw in a free spool of old olive linen thread as a little thank you to you. Okay. Let's see here. What else do I need to let you know? If you want to attend all of the classes in person, there is an option to have lunch included, or you're more than welcome to bring a bagged lunch as well. So just contact me and I can fill you in on the details on that. And if there's any that you are interested in, just send me an email at sherry@stampedtreasures.com, and I'll post a link below, and we'll get you all set up and get it all worked out. Remember, the deadline is February 20th, and I can't wait to share these classes with you. All right, thanks so much for watching.